When building a forever or generational home, contact Pennington Hardwoods. We've worked with discerning and creative clients across the U.S. on such projects, and know firsthand what has proven most important. First, premium quality is imperative, so we focus on details, don't cut corners, or leave results to chance. Second, your custom home deserves a custom floor, and we excel at transforming ideas into reality. Third, your time is valuable, which we're highly considerate of and utilize efficiently. Fourth, exceptional customer service is a must, and our owners personally provide attentive, expert care. Fifth, experience and ethics matter, and for decades we've earned happy clients who send us their family and friends. Sixth, value is important, and from a lean family business, you're paying for a better floor, not mass marketing. Contact us to learn more about our beautiful floors and more.